Hello.
Hello. My name is Masikini. I'm from Malawi. I'm here to present on counterfeit banknote detection system. All right. So back at home, there have been several recorded cases of fake banknotes circulating and flooding the markets, right? But that is not the problem. However, the problem is people there really do not know how to identify a fake banknote from a genuine one. And this has been the case acknowledged by some of the people in the field of commerce to say, usually bank professionals don't get to identify the notes. It's usually the local traders themselves into the task. So here's just an example of a fake banknote, Malawi 2000 question note, and that is a fake one. Well, if I may ask, how many of you have actually gone to the task of looking at the Kenyan note, the one that you've been given, to see if it's actually fake or genuine? Oh, there's one there. All right, cool. So usually just look at the value that's there. For example, there's a 2,000 there, and I'm like, oh my God, that's just a 2,000 Malawian kwacha. If it's here, I see 100, I'll be like, it's a Kenyan shilling, it's a 100 Kenyan shilling. But it's approximately 10 million fake banknotes have been detected in our flow of money just in 2 years, from 2017 to 2018. That's a really big number. And, well, this thing's not working, or good. So if this goes unchecked, and I mean, we can let everybody print the fake notes, right? There seems to be no problem, but actually it has really huge, devastating impacts on the economy. Some of them are listed here, like the loss of currency value, inflation, and whatnot. This motivated me to actually venture into the field of ML, but then there was one problem. There was no data set I could work with. So this was the problem I faced. Now, as a new practitioner in ML, I had to go into the cumbersome work of taking pictures as my recording data, training data, taking pictures. So I went into the task of using my mobile phone. I had to go take pictures of the 7 banknotes in Malawi, 7 banknotes. So the highest one is 2,000 question note. Yeah, so I took over 7,000 pictures. That got me like 3 weeks to a month. And my mom really thought I was going crazy. Like, you explained to them, I'm doing this for machine learning. To her, it sounded like I'm doing this for Really, that was the case. So each and every time I'm eating, you go to the restroom, to the toilet, and you have a chance of taking a banknote. So that was the case. But I had to use computer vision and image augmentation to generate new images of the notes. So I came out about 30,000 images, which is still not enough. So you see the kind of problems I'm trying to address here. So I had to start practicing. And by the way, it's illegal to hold, even take pictures of banknotes. By the way, especially in my country, my nation, Malawi. So I had to go through that. Currently, I used Inception V3 and MobileNet just to train on classifying the banknotes, just knowing the value. And I had to do this for over like a week, different runs. I came to points of 93% accuracy and 85 for the MobileNet. And yes, these are like the vision is to see a computer-based and a mobile app that can be up to use in identifying the notes. So the development currently, I'm having one that mobile, just a classification that can classify the banknotes under different lighting conditions and the different types of notes, whether wrinkled, dirty. So this is just for classification. I haven't gone to the real field of identifying whether it's real or fake. Okay, so that's I've learned from Aladdin, with the help of Aladdin, on means neural networks and the GANs itself. So that's what I'm going to use. And this is I'm working with the Reserve Bank of Malawi on them handing me some fake notes, samples of them I can work with. So from there, now imagine if your country, don't look at me like you don't have these problems in your country. I mean, we have them everywhere else. Yeah, thank you. So we're talking of an innocent businessman going to the bank just to find out that they've been declined. Okay? So this is the case. It might not be you today, but it will be you next time. And you really get arrested for finding with a fake banknote just for dealing with a local businessman and you're given change that is fake. Thank you very much.